These holsters were created by veterans from the Special Forces, suggesting that their straightforward appearance conceals a more intricate design. Despite their simplicity, they provide 7-stage protection, allowing for swift and effortless access to their contents. Their remarkable speed enables a reduction of over 3 seconds in reload time. Furthermore, their convenience extends to easy handling even in total darkness. Notably durable, an example is the 125G grenade pouch that can endure being run over by a car without any issues. The team's ingenuity is evident in the numerous patents filed for these robust holsters. Now let's delve into an emerging trend in grenade technology, introducing NAMMO, a modular grenade with customizable power. The idea is relatively uncomplicated. These grenades are assembled using either 2 or 3 components and share a unified fuse. There are 2 variations of grenades utilized in NAMMO. The first contains 115G of TNT and hexogen, while the second is filled with 130G of PBXN 110 explosive. The weight of each grenade stands at 140G. While debates surround this solution, some discussions primarily center on the impact of the shockwave rather than the shrapnel, fueling an ongoing topic of debate. The SILYNX CLARUS is not only utilized by the military, but also by law enforcement globally. These noise-cancelling headphones are produced by SILYNX Communications, a significant player in the industry. Capable of blocking noise levels surpassing 115 decibels, they exhibit resilience by surviving 30 minutes, submerged underwater at a depth of 1 meter, and operate effectively in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees C. Users maintain awareness of their surroundings while using these headphones, and when required, they can seamlessly connect with smartphones and radios. Cont Industries is a specialized provider of a wide range of protective solutions, and one noteworthy example is the GP3M system. Specifically designed to safeguard gun ports, this system is versatile, offering effective protection for both vehicles and structures against 12, 7x99M armor-piercing ammunition, as highlighted by the company. The GP3M's adaptability extends beyond traditional settings, making it well-suited for deployment in training ranges. Notably, it enables the facilitation of effective return fire, contributing to enhanced security measures and operational capabilities across various scenarios. When it comes to shields, there's a unique dolly designed to enhance their portability. Weighing either 16 or 23 kilograms, this dolly not only facilitates easier transportation, but also enables the connection of multiple shields. The outcome is essentially a mobile mini-fortress that can be effortlessly pushed even on uneven surfaces like gravel or mud, providing a convenient and versatile solution. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.